In Instagram photos, you may have seen music also. In this video, we'll be telling about how to add music to your Instagram photos. For this, what you need to do is open Instagram application. After opening Instagram application, down here you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you're clicking on that, you will reach your profile. In your profile, if you want to upload photo, just click on this plus button. When you're clicking on that, you will reach your gallery. Or here you can see one plus button. Click on this plus button and select post. Then also you will reach your gallery. From gallery, select the photo which you want to post. For example, I am selecting this photo. After that, click on this next button. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see music button. Click on this music button, and when you are clicking on that, you can see musics that are trending now. From this, you can select whichever music you want. For example, I am selecting this music. After that, select the section of the music which you want to appear in your photo. It will be 30 seconds music. Here you can see some dots that are trending areas. You can select that areas if you want. If you want, you can select other areas also. Anyways, after that, click on this tick button. When you are clicking on that, that music will be set. Here you can see that music album. If you want to change, just click on this button and click on this cross button, and that music will be deleted. Again, by clicking on this music button, you can add new music. And if you want, you can search for any music also. After that, you can select that music. Anyways, after that, click on this tick button and click on this next button. Here, if you want to add captions, you can do that. If you want, you can add location or tag people. Anyways, after that, click on this share button, and when you are clicking on that, that photo will be posted. After that, if you are going to your profile, you can see that photo. Now, when you are clicking on that photo, you can hear music. Here, that music name is also written. So this way you can easily add music in your Instagram photos. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.